Welcome back everybody to my channel. Today we are going to be rating and reviewing the GMTK Game Jam submissions. I was actually one of the participants in this year's Game Jam. And so if you guys want to play my game, just drop down to the description. There's a link there for you. You can play my game for free. And if you could, please leave a rating. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, this is very like bright. You can actually see in the video I'm turning red just from my screen's reflection. That's crazy. What am I supposed to do? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I don't get it. Now we have a bar. 91 people, 93. We're already gaining. We're just overcrowding this casino. Pretty soon it's just gonna be all out stampede. I don't know how much more people we can fit in this place. We're already at 400 and almost 30. I mean, I can't imagine it going much further. People are walking over each other. It is just terrible. It's just awful. We currently just broke 1,000 people. We are currently at a level 5 stampede situation. People are just stepping on other people, and it is not good. We're only at $98,000. Oh, take that back. We are at 11. Sorry. Math. We're going for $1 million. Do I hear 940? I hear 940. 960. Please. 960. Going once. Going twice. 960. Do I hear 980? 980. I now have 1,012,000. Okay. Well, that was Casino Clicker. Very interesting and very, very red. I give enjoyment a 4 stars. It didn't blow me away with excitement and enjoyment, but it was quite enjoyable. Creativity. I have a feeling that the whole casino theme we're going to see quite often. I'm going to give it a 3. Presentation. Presentation was decent. However, the red was quite overbearing. I leave a 3. Sledzik 089. He was the guy in my chat during the live stream. He was there. He was telling me about this game, actually. Oh, I see how this is. Easy peasy. All right, this one is a very delicate situation. We have to angle it in just right for it to not bounce off the ball, but instead start hurtling it towards me so that then I can push it, which then I will cut in 2 and in 3. Here we go. That's how it's done. That's how you do it. Everyone is dead. Hey, thanks for ruining the game. Even though I know you, I have to be merciless. Enjoyment. 5 stars. Creativity. Never seen anything like it. Presentation. Exceptional. Not really sure where I'm trying to go. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Oh, I'm so close. No. Okay. I'm loving the sound of the breeze. Oh, we were right there. Oops. Come on. That's what I'm talking about. 23 points on that one. Enjoyment. 5 out of 10. I mean, 5 out... What am I even doing? Math. Creativity. 5 stars. Presentation. 4. The top right corner was a bit messy. We got a 2, guys. We got a 2. We got a 1. I have never rolled a 1. The genius. Next up, Peace Combat. This is done by Nate Dev, which is a YouTuber that I know. Ikoso and Aya. So let's see what they've got. Oh, I messed up. Oh, I messed up again. I don't know if I can recover from this. Wave 3 is not ready for me. I already beat that guy before he even knew it. Spawn killed that one. A very nice cooldown. I did not expect that. Enjoyment, 100. Creativity, 100. Presentation, 1. I'm kidding. It's 100. You have 100 out of 100 stars. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, that is our episode for today. If you have enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And also don't forget to go down in the description, hit my link. That'll bring you to itch.io and just rate my game. Give it a 5 out of 5 if you could. I mean, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but if I did, yeah, I think you know what I'd say. Also, while you're down there, we've got a bunch of other links. Go check them out. See what you find. All right. Thanks. Leave a like, subscribe. Bye.